So this is a 2025 Toyota Highlander Grand Highlander, like a Grand Cherokee Hybrid Max Limited. Whole bunch of extra little names after it. Now, there was a few comments about the video I just released this morning about what is called and appears to be an expensive leak detector that's extremely sensitive. The new Infracon leak detector, that is $4,700. Now, somebody says that's expensive. In the summertime, if you're a decent shop of just a medium size, say you have 6 guys, you're probably running through 100 to 300 AC jobs before the summer's out. If you're a small little shop in the summer, 1 guy, you're probably doing 30 or 40. Depends on what you're not. If you're not, you got to find out why and fix that problem. But other than that, here's the Highlander. This is YF refrigerant, and our YF refrigerant is 900 grams. So we have 900 grams of YF. You have the ND11 oil, electric compressor. So you got $822. So basically you have a recovery. If it was one where you had to recover the refrigerant before ordering the part and then ordering the part, that's a 2-step procedure. You go up to the vehicle, break out your equipment, do the recovery. You charge for that. That's 0.4. 0.4, $227 an hour. At 0.4 is $90.80. Then your refrigerant. You have 900 grams. That's 1.984 pounds. I don't know why it comes out hours. That's weird. So that's $412 in just refrigerant. Then you have recharge. Recharge, book time, 1.4. Now, not everybody has to do this. Some guys charge more. I'm a little bit on the light side at 1.4. It's not a heat pump vehicle. Heat pump vehicles, I charge anywhere from 2.3 to 2.7 hours. So on this hybrid vehicle at 127 1.4, you got $317.80. So you have your grand total of $820.60. So you're doing anywhere from 6 to 10 of these every day. And the leak detector is only $4,700. Really? Is it really that expensive? And plus whatever else you're doing in a shop. So don't think of it as expensive. If it's going to find you leaks the other shops who are your competition in your area can't find, and you find them, then you're one up on everybody else, and it makes you money. Because the last thing you want to do is miss a leak and have it come back and have an angry customer, or 2 or 3 or 4 times, or they go to another shop and there's another guy who has at least a Stratus and he finds the leak because he has a leak detector that can find it. So it's all about who has the best toys. Oh, and who knows how to use the best toys correctly. See you guys later. Yeah, leak detectors are not expensive if they make you money. If they don't make you money, gotta look in the mirror and find out what's wrong with the dude looking at you in the mirror. See you guys later.